Your phone's next update is about to change everything for accessibility, and most app developers are not ready. iOS 18 and Android 15 are dropping major updates to their screen readers, and it directly affects how people with disabilities use your app. On iOS 18, VoiceOver is getting way more powerful. Users can switch between different voices, and a new feature called Live Recognition tries to describe everything on screen at once: text, people, objects. If your app has unlabeled buttons or confusing layouts, this feature will expose it instantly. Meanwhile, Android 15's TalkBack is integrating Google's Gemini AI to describe images that don't have alt text. You might think, great, the AI will fix it for me. Wrong. This is a safety net, not a solution. An AI can't understand the specific context or purpose of an image in your app's user flow. It's still your job to provide clear, meaningful descriptions. And it goes beyond screen readers. We're talking about the basics that so many apps get wrong. Are your buttons big enough to tap easily? If an action requires a swipe gesture, is there a simple tap alternative for people with motor impairments? Does your app even work when you turn your phone sideways? With legal deadlines like the European Accessibility Act in 2025, this is no longer optional. Ignoring mobile accessibility means you're actively choosing to shut out millions of potential users and exposing your business to legal risk. This isn't just about compliance. It's about building better products that everyone can actually use.